Merry Christmas, my friend. I wanted to bring you today Wreaths of Williamsburg. Be inspired. Take a look at all the natural beauty that we can use to decorate for Christmas. Get old, get colonial, and be inspired. Look at the natural, real way that pine and fruit and shells and found objects and fruit, all kind of things can be used. Be inspired, be artistic, be creative, and let this go throughout the entire season. Merry Christmas, my friends. Sit back, relax, and enjoy 12 minutes of the most delightful, inspiring nature and natural wreaths creation. And I hope it inspires you to decorate all throughout the year. Paper. Yes, my friends, this is paper. And again, we are in Williamsburg, Virginia, taking a look at the wreaths put up as Christmas decoration throughout the entire wonderful colonial town. And I highly recommend a visit if you haven't been to Williamsburg lately. Please, please, please come. But also enjoy these because I am adding them to my crafting list of things that we are going to do throughout the year because I am inspired. Look at this, a mushroom. There's actual mushrooms on this wreath. And who says a wreath has to be round? Be creative, my friends. Decorate. And again, these are on the windows, and I just have to show you these locks. I absolutely love the padlocks. They are made by the metalworks and the blacksmiths here in colonial Williamsburg. So I hope you will be inspired. Come visit. It really, really is an educational masterpiece, this whole city for every age. And we're going to get back to the wreaths and look at this fabric enhanced. Absolutely stunning. I want to show you the architecture as well as the wreaths. But look at this. Pine cones, pine branches, fruits. Absolutely amazing. And if the birds and squirrels partake, so be it. Let them enjoy. And you can also put other bags, fabric bags, different things. Hang them up, enjoy them. So stunning. I love Williamsburg. I love the old houses, the old architecture, the old locks, the fact that they try and be true to history. And look at this. Pineapple and pomegranates, oyster shells and apples. Beat this, my friends. Get creative. Get back to the 1700s and 1800s and consider creating wreaths for all year round as well, especially for the holidays. Love this style. I hope this inspires you. You've got to try it out. And we just had to put the fireplace in, but look at the wreaths on either side of the fireplace. And just think, this holiday season, I hope you are full of warmth and love all around you. And look at this, slices of dried orange, cinnamon sticks, a little basket with berries. Oh, and I love this. You know I love paper. Look at this craft. A rope hung with all your Christmas wishes, your Christmas recipes. Let it decorate your house. I love this. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't let your paper go to waste. Use it, use it, use it, use it. It is beautiful. Hello, me. Back to the locks. I just love these locks. I am so fascinated by these locks. And the wreath. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Look at that. Bags on the wreath. Representing Christmas presents. And this is the grocer in Williamsburg. Some of the windows. Just fascinating. Look at that old style roof. And paper. Once again, a paper wreath. I'm loving this. Be inspired. You can do this. Take a 4-inch white tile. Use your permanent markers. Draw something. Use some paper rolled up. And look at this. Wealth, leaves, flowers, fruit. Amazing. Put them on all your windows. And look at this. A little present, a box, a mug, cotton balls. Don't know what these blue are, but absolutely stunning. Very stunning. Blue ribbon prize on this as well. And look at these. Pink flowers. A handmade doll. We have so many crafts we are going to be doing this coming year. So hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed now, hit that subscribe button because we are inspired by these wreaths. We are going to watch this video several times throughout the year, and we are going to create some of these wreaths. I see a picnic table with myself sitting on top of it, putting together some of these masterpieces. Oh my goodness, I am so inspired. Look at the fruit. Oh, and I have to bring you back to this doorstep. I just really love this. Look at the feathers from the top, from the bottom. Love these feathers. I'm going to find out what all these parts are, where I can find them, and
now,
we are going to create some beauty.
This is a cool doorway. Beat this for your holiday decorations. I am loving it.
More squirrels. Something got to it. Mm-hmm. We used to have little things here to try to get screws here. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna assume that they got destroyed. Hot water, which I'm gonna ruin all of history coffee drinking for you in Virginia. You gotta picture the founding fathers with browns in their teeth whenever they talk about drinking coffee.
And this look, my friends, I might have to tell you that this is one of my favorites. So I might be looking at a blue ribbon for this, just in placement and overall context. I love it. And look at this, back to the fabric. I have got to make some primitive stars. I've already started. We're going to find those in the closet, pull them out, and make some primitives together. Look at these cards. Cards on a wreath. You know me, I love my decks of cards as well. Love using them in my junk journals. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and look at this one. Let's zoom in here. Is that not so cool? Those are corn and corn husks. And look at these different kind of fruits. Double doors, almost identical wreaths. And look at that. Absolutely stunning. I am so loving this. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to grow a garden just so I can put them in my wreaths now. So cool. So cool. So cheerful, my friends. Wreaths and decorations are cheerful. Look at that, a mouse. I love this. I love the coloring. I love the little mouse. That looks like a walnut with 2 acorn empty parts. And that's a little mouse. I love it. And look at the feathers. Look at the hat on this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Different colored leaves. So natural. So perfect. Perfect, perfect. Pow! Look at this. Bright, perky. Looks like limes. They're cut. The fruit is used and out of it, but we're using the peel for decoration. And we still have the animals. Who says the birds and squirrels shouldn't get a wonderful treat this Christmas? Ugh. Love this. Simple, earthy, gorgeous pomegranates. What says wealth back in the colonial times than pomegranates and pineapples and fruit so abundant we can make wreaths out of it? Perky, happy, beautiful. So be inspired. Plan on visiting Williamsburg, Virginia. Treat yourself. Have a great day.